Hey guys, this is Scott Leroy Marketing, coming in for another weekly tip. Alright, so today's tip is actually about the Placester website and a new change that just recently happened. Alright, so a lot of agents have been asking for Placester to have a SSL certificate on their site, so that way whenever people actually submit any type of information on the site, everything is secure. Alright, so that is usually what happens whenever you see the HTTPS instead of the HTTP. Well, that just recently happened, so to make sure that this is set up, it should automatically be already set up for you, but to double check on it, let's hover over technology in the black bar and go to KW websites, that second option down on here. Now you'll want to leave the SSL option selected because you want to make sure that your site is secure. Now one thing that this will do, I'm going to go and click on that KW websites option real quick. One thing this will do is if you were using the www dot option before, like say if you had www agent.kw.com or whatever your Placester site may be, alright, that will not work anymore. Alright, typically with a subdomain, you won't be able to have the www dot option, and based on an email that we actually were sent over that Placester contacted back about, it looks like that option will not be coming back at least anytime soon. Alright, so make sure whenever you're advertising your Placester site, if you are using the .kw.com option, that you leave it without the www dot. Alright, so if I click on go to my website, for instance, on here, it's going to take me to the back end of our Placester site like we've always seen. Alright, and then once this actually pops up, what we'll want to do is click on the Edit Site option over here. Alright, so we'll click on Edit Site real quick so we can actually go through and edit the site. Now once we click on Edit Site, this is the page that we'll want to stay on, the Site Settings section. And once we scroll all the way down the bottom, you're now going to see a new option that says SSL Certificate, secure your site with SSL or HTTPS. So when you click on this, it should automatically have the on option. So as you can see, SSL lets your visitors navigate your website and submit information securely via HTTPS. This will secure your website and boost your SEO. Alright, Google did come out with a change a couple years back that if your site was not secure with the HTTPS, as you can see, this is secure right up here, alright, then the SEO was not working as well. Alright, so you typically want to double check for that HTTPS. So if this is on, then everything is good to go. So now if I go to my site, so if I click on View Live Site, as you can see, scottleroymarketing.kw.com, and now has an HTTPS. Alright, if I tried to go over here with the www dot option, and then www.scottleroymarketing.kw.com, alright, then it might not pop up. It might actually say it's going to an unsecure site. Alright, so with a subdomain like this, like they have set up for the .kw.com domains, alright, you typically can't have that www dot. So if you have that on your marketing pieces, I may highly suggest taking that off and just leaving it with the, in this case, I've got scottleroymarketing.kw.com. Now, another workaround is to have a custom domain name as well. So I'm going to spotlight this person again. If I can type in their name right. There you go. Alright, so my good friend Lori Godfrey. Alright, she has a custom domain on here. So as you can see, with the custom domain, she does get to have that www dot. Alright, so it would work with or without. Alright, so that is another option. So if you want to, feel free to purchase a custom domain through a site like GoDaddy. Alright, and then you could continue to have that www dot option. So there you go. Alright, so that is your BuyKW tip for the day.